earthworms.
Ah, okay, yes.
Looks like an earthworm itself.
Yeah. Both sides look like a head.
Head only,
that's
yeah.
just to. I've seen this. I mean, rather it's to fool the prey kind of a thing.
Yeah,
Right. What's it called?
a shield tail snake, madam.
Shield tail snake.
Actually, they're sensing that earthworm
Looks like an earthworm.
because snakes and all, they can't see colors.
It's only by smell.
By
it?
smell,
Vibration.
And basically they got their senses on their tongue. That's what they say.
Jacob's organ.
Yeah.
Let's see. We're going to feed that worm now.
Which one? Can you see the worm?
Wait. They got, I guess.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, right.
Yeah, that's the worm.
Yeah. See.
Oh, you got it.
I got it.
For the mouth.
He got it. Oh, brilliant.
Already swallowed.
He's already swallowed it.
So fast.
Didn't take it even a second.
Yeah, he already swallowed it so fast.
So fast it is.
What color, huh?